everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout today, and I'm going to use this photo of my two oldest grandsons playing a game together. So I'm going to mount that to that green piece of paper, which is from Echo Park All Boy. It's the Race Car Lanes paper. As a matter of fact, everything except for one thing, which is this blue paper, is Echo Park All Boy. So I'm not going to keep repeating that. That blue paper that I'm going to cut up in just a minute is from Bella Boulevard. It's the freehand graph dot paper in Blueberry. And I'm going to use the dot side today. And once I get this done. So the reason this page is significant is that, you know, my grandsons love each other, but they're siblings. So they fight and, you know, these two can get into it. So I just thought it was kind of neat that there was this picture of them cooperating and having fun together, and with appreciating one of the nice parts about having a brother, which is always having a friend, really. So the other paper that I have there that I mounted the blue paper on is the Echo Park. It's the red All-Star paper from the All Boy collection. And then I used that striped paper, which is the Team Flags paper from that collection. And then I grabbed this Life is Better Than You. It's the cut-apart sheet from the All Boy collection, and that's the 4x6 journaling cards. They actually have several cut-apart sheets. They also have a 3x4 cut-apart, too. And I liked that Life is Better with You kind of sentiment. And so I'm going to actually put that right on top. So I really like the way that worked out here. Just going to play around a little bit with these measurements because I want that green, the edges of the green to fall above the edge of the striped paper. All right. So I think I have it there then. Just about done there. Okay, now I have it. Then I have the sticker sheet and the chipboard from this collection. So I'm just adding that little dinosaur had fallen off. I'm going to add the chipboard game, kind of looks like a game board, like almost like a Chutes and Ladders board. Tap that bottom right corner. That is from the chipboard accents because there are two different kinds of chipboard sheets. And then the game sticker here is from the element sticker sheet. So they're the same thing, but I like that they were kind of bookending the two edges of the picture there. I've got a couple edges here that I didn't glue down, so I wanted to get that. And this time, sometimes I'll keep like that piece of paper that's going across horizontally. Sometimes I'll do it within the frame so that it would only be over the blue piece of paper. Sometimes I do it out of the frame, and that's what I chose to do this particular time. All right, then I'm adding that little sticker that says it's game night, and then all the other stickers that I'm going to put on here are from the All Boy sticker book, which even if you don't have this collection, they're fantastic to have these if you have boys. Lots of boy themed things. So I have that little Discover sticker there, and I'm thinking about popping that under, but I don't really like the two stickers there together. So then I'm thinking this Let's Play feels a little bit long. So now I'm going to pop the Discover sticker underneath the left side, and then this Let's Play sticker under the right there. Now I want a few more things on here. It's looking a little bare, so I go back to the chipboard sheet and I find that red star, and then there's a blue star on there as well. And I think there might have been like an orange. Yeah, there's a big orange star, but I don't have any orange on this page, so I didn't want to use that one. So now I'm going to the sticker book again and just pulling some of the stars off. That they have them scattered throughout the whole book, so I think that's really kind of a nice thing. So just adding stars in kind of each of the cluster areas here. And I decided I didn't like that the blue star with the light blue stars up there because you really couldn't see it. So I added it to that bottom cluster, and I'm going to go in search of more sticker stars. Just kind of adding an extra one or two or three. So 3 stars total in each of the clusters, just to that rule of 3. I didn't have to do that, but I decided to do that on this particular page. Now I'm just looking to see if there's anything else. There's that Friends sticker. I thought I'd seen something with Friends, and I thought that would be cool to add here. So here is the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I'll be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.